On April 23, 2005, an 18-second clip called "Me at the Zoo" changed the internet forever. The man was Jawed Karim, one of three former PayPal employees who had spent months coding in a garage above a pizzeria in San Mateo, California. He was testing a website called YouTube, a domain registered on Valentine's Day that same year. The concept was simple: let anyone upload a video and let anyone watch it. No TV studio, no network approval, just you, a camera, and the entire world. Chad Hurley handled the design. Steve Chen made sure the uploads actually worked. Jawed Karim stitched the code together. They originally pitched YouTube as a video dating site with the slogan "Tune in, hook up," but when they struggled to get traction, they pivoted. The turning point came after the 2004 Super Bowl halftime show incident. Janet Jackson and Justin Timberlake. The founders couldn't find clips of it online. They realized people didn't need a dating service. They needed a place to share any video about anything. By April 2005, YouTube opened in beta with the slogan "Your Digital Video Repository." Within months, it was serving 30,000 viewers a day. By July 2006, that number hit 100 million video views per day. The platform had become a runaway train, and Silicon Valley was watching. On October 9, 2006, Google announced it was buying YouTube for $1.65 billion in stock. It was Google's second largest acquisition ever. At the time, critics called it overpriced. Today, it looks like one of the best deals in tech history. The sale happened because YouTube had a problem it couldn't solve alone: copyright lawsuits. Media companies were furious that users were uploading clips of their content without permission. YouTube had signed 3 major licensing agreements just to survive long enough to sell. Google brought something YouTube desperately needed: infrastructure, lawyers, and deep pockets. Within a year, the infamous Viacom lawsuit hit, a $1 billion claim that YouTube was a haven for piracy. Google fought it for 7 years and eventually settled. But the message was clear: the Wild West days were ending. Meanwhile, the culture of YouTube was exploding. 2006 brought Evolution of Dance, a 6-minute clip that became the most viewed video on the platform. Then came Charlie Bit My Finger, David After Dentist, and the rise of the viral video as a genuine cultural phenomenon. In 2007, YouTube launched the Partner Program, the first major system for creators to earn money from ads. That same year, Time magazine named you, the user, the creator, the everyday person uploading from their bedroom, as Person of the Year. The cover featured a YouTube screen and a mirror. The message was unmistakable. Power had shifted from studios to individuals, but with that power came new problems. By 2010, YouTube was a giant, but a messy one. The platform was flooded with low-quality uploads, copyright disputes, and content that advertisers didn't want near their brands. In March of that year, YouTube killed its 5-star rating system and replaced it with thumbs up and thumbs down, a simpler, more brutal feedback loop. In 2011, live streaming arrived. In 2012, the platform merged with the failed Google Video project, absorbing its content, but the real reckoning came in 2017, the AD-pocalypse. It started with a Wall Street Journal report that showed ads from major brands running alongside extremist content and hate speech. Companies like Coca-Cola, Amazon, and Volkswagen pulled their advertising overnight. YouTube's response was swift and brutal. The platform tightened its monetization rules dramatically. Suddenly, creators who had built careers on edgy or controversial topics found their income gutted. Channels covering news, politics, mental health, and LGBTQ issues were disproportionately hit. A study by Nerd City later found that simply saying the word gay in a video title could trigger demonetization. Creators like Philip DeFranco, Casey Neistat, and PewDiePie spoke out. Some saw revenue drops of 80% or more. YouTube had chosen advertisers over creators, and the trust between the platform and its stars cracked. The algorithm became the invisible god of the platform. It decided what millions of people watched, and creators learned to worship at its altar. Clickbait titles, shock thumbnails, and increasingly sensational content won. The recommended feed pushed viewers deeper into rabbit holes, some harmless, some genuinely dangerous. YouTube faced accusations that its algorithm amplified conspiracy theories from flat Earth to QAnon to anti-vaccine content. Congressional hearings followed. The platform began manually intervening, tweaking the algorithm, removing channels, and adding fact-check boxes. But every fix created new complaints about censorship. YouTube was trapped between two impossible demands: total free speech and total brand safety. It has never fully escaped that trap. In 2020, a new threat emerged, and it came from China. TikTok, owned by ByteDance, had exploded globally with its addictive short-form vertical videos. YouTube had to respond or be left behind. In September 2020, YouTube Shorts launched in India, then expanded worldwide. By 2021, Shorts had 15 billion daily views. The platform created a $100 million fund to lure creators away from TikTok. But the shift came at a cost. Long-form creators, the backbone of YouTube for over a decade, complained that Shorts were cannibalizing their views, their revenue, and their audience attention spans. The platform they had built was changing beneath their feet. Meanwhile, YouTube doubled down on premium content. YouTube Music replaced Google Play Music. YouTube TV launched as a cable replacement, now carrying NFL Sunday Ticket. The platform became an everything app for video, music, podcasts, live sports, education, news, and entertainment, all in one feed. By 2023, YouTube was the second most visited website on Earth, behind only Google itself. Over 500 hours of video were uploaded every single minute. The creator economy it had birthed was estimated to be worth over $250 billion globally. Then came AI in 2024 and 2025. YouTube began integrating generative AI tools directly into the platform. Creators could now auto-generate video titles, test thumbnail variations with A/B testing, and even use AI to dub their content into other languages. YouTube Studio added an Ask AI feature to answer creator questions. The platform launched AI-powered search, allowing users to ask questions about video content directly. YouTube CEO Neil Mohan called AI the next frontier of creation, but it also raised unsettling questions. If AI could generate content, summarize videos, and clone voices, what happened to authenticity? The platform that had built its brand on broadcast yourself was now asking, does it matter if yourself is partly machine? 20 years after that first awkward clip at the zoo, YouTube is no longer a scrappy startup in a garage. It is a global media empire that generates an estimated $15 billion in annual ad revenue, more than any major TV network. It has launched careers, destroyed them, sparked revolutions, spread misinformation, built communities, and torn them apart. It has been praised as the ultimate democratization of media and condemned as a machine for addiction and outrage. It is all of those things because it is at its core a mirror. It reflects us, the good, the bad, the ridiculous, the profound. And as it enters its next 20 years, one question looms larger than ever. In a world where anyone can broadcast and AI can broadcast for you, what does it actually mean to have a voice? The answer, whatever it becomes, will be uploaded and someone somewhere will watch it.